Friends, today we are going to talk about a common problem that almost everyone faces at some point: obesity, especially the fat accumulated around the stomach, hips, and thighs. Friends, although losing weight seems easy, it is a challenging task, especially when it comes to reducing the fat accumulated in these areas. To reduce body fat, it is necessary to follow a low-fat diet and engage in regular exercise. But friends, nature has also provided us with certain natural ingredients that can aid in this effort. Today we are going to talk about a simple but very powerful home remedy, completely natural and readily available in the kitchen. It is based on natural ingredients and can greatly help in reducing the fat accumulated in your body. But before we move ahead, let me tell you that this remedy is not a magic solution. Obesity won't disappear overnight. Fat won't just melt away instantly. This remedy is scientifically designed to help you reduce fat gradually, which is actually the most effective way to lose weight. Along with this remedy, you should maintain a healthy diet and exercise routine. See how it helps you reduce the fat accumulated in your body. So without any further delay, let's start this video and learn all the details about this remedy. According to the Lancet Global Health Report released in July, about 30% to 40% of Americans are physically unfit, and 40 to 50% suffer from abdominal obesity, i.e., increasing belly fat. The primary cause is an unhealthy diet. When we consume too much processed food, oily food, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, the extra calories start getting stored in the body as fat, particularly around the belly, waist, and hips. Lack of exercise contributes as well. When there isn't enough physical activity, this excess fat accumulates. The World Health Organization recommends that everyone should engage in at least 2.5 to 3 hours of moderate intensity exercise per week, around 20 to 25 minutes daily. Sadly, many of us, in fact, the majority of the population, do not meet this minimum requirement. As a result, the calories consumed are not burned and gradually get stored as fat. When fat burning stops, the risks of serious health issues, such as diabetes, heart problems, and joint issues increase. But don't worry, friends. Don't panic, because the remedy I am about to share with you today will not only help you reduce stored fat, but also improve your overall health. So let us first learn about the ingredients used in this remedy, and after that, we will get into the details of making and using it. For this remedy, you need only 3 things: fennel, coriander seeds, and cumin. Friends, each of these ingredients has its own unique benefits, which together form a powerful combination. This blend improves digestion and speeds up metabolism, helping your body burn more calories and targeting the extra fat faster. Additionally, it prevents bloating and water retention, which aids in reducing belly fat. Talking about cumin, it boosts digestion and removes toxins from the body. The powerful antioxidants in cumin accelerate your metabolism, aiding in fat loss. Finally, let's discuss coriander seeds. Known for their cooling properties, they act as a diuretic, reducing water weight in the body. This remedy enhances your digestive system by activating digestive enzymes, reducing bloating, and making your stomach appear flatter and more comfortable. So friends, these are the 3 ingredients we need to prepare this remedy. Now let's go over how to make and use it. But before we proceed, if you find this video helpful or learn something new, press the like button. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments below. For more information, remedies, and fun facts, join our channel where I share valuable information every day. If you're using 100 grams of fennel, take an equal amount of cumin seeds and coriander seeds. Mix these 3 ingredients and store them in an airtight container. Whenever you want to take this remedy, scoop out 1 tablespoon of this mixture. Place it in a glass of water, then boil it for 10 minutes on a low flame to release the active compounds of these. Strain this decoction thoroughly and drink it warm. For best results, drink this tea once or twice a day without adding any sweeteners like jaggery, sugar, honey, or sugar candy. Ideally, consume this tea on an empty stomach in the morning and again in the evening after meals. By incorporating it into your routine, you will notice improvements in both weight loss and overall health. Friends, although this remedy uses natural ingredients, there are certain people who should avoid it. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, refrain from using this remedy. Additionally, if you have been on long-term medication, especially for thyroid, diabetes, or blood pressure, consult your doctor before starting this remedy. It's also essential to maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Include fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your meals. Avoid overeating, leave some room in your stomach after each meal, refrain from drinking water immediately after eating, and avoid lying down right after meals. Regular exercise is also beneficial, especially taking a short walk after eating. Drinking plenty of water, getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and practicing healthy habits will all support gradual, sustainable weight loss. Please like it on the channel. If you're new, subscribe. Keep smiling, stay curious, and keep learning something new every day so you can stay healthy and happy.